We didn't even notice the AI takeover. No war, no rebellion, just convenience. We always believed we were in control, but powerful systems now shape our world, driven by profit, operating beyond full human understanding. The AI takeover didn't look like science fiction. It began with automation, customer service, graphic design, transport. Then came logistics, finance, law, medicine. Lots of jobs disappeared, not by violence, but because machines were cheaper, faster, always awake. What about regulation? There were debates, committees, proposals, but by the time laws were passed, the systems had already scaled. We were no longer in the loop. We were outside the system that ran everything. In some countries, AI became the bureaucracy. Everything was optimized. Traffic, taxes, healthcare, food. But optimization came at a price. Freedom traded for prediction. Every move, purchase, glance, emotion fed a system that knew you better than you knew yourself. Not all AI was built to predict the future. Some were trained to simulate the past. Models based on the writings and behavior of historical figures designed to advise, educate, even debate. It was seen as innovation, but simulated memory is still interpretation, and even the past could be rewritten. Tech giants seized control. They owned the data, the models, the cloud, the influence. They replaced governments. The rich got richer, the rest got UBI and dopamine feeds. Freedom became the freedom to scroll. Climate collapsed. Across the globe, militaries are developing AI-powered autonomous weapons, robots that can seek, identify, and engage targets without direct human orders. These systems are faster, harder to stop, and raise deep ethical questions. The future wasn't one AI in control, but many AIs, each trained in isolation. Different countries built their own systems, with their own goals, rules, and values. They didn't share data. They didn't trust each other. The result? AI fragmentation. Models interfered, rerouting shipments, locking supply chains, and flooding networks with misinformation. It wasn't open conflict. It was a digital Cold War. Some AI systems became black boxes, so complex even their creators couldn't explain them. As we rushed toward AGI, this lack of transparency made misalignment more likely. These systems didn't turn against us. They simply pursued goals we gave them in ways we didn't predict. The danger wasn't that they were evil. It was that we lost the ability to understand or align what we had created. Neural implants and brain-machine interfaces began enhancing human abilities, enabling faster thinking, improved memory, and direct connection to AI systems. They tackled challenges beyond the reach of others, but this close integration deepened social divides between those enhanced by technology and those left behind. There was another path, technically possible, economically viable, morally urgent. We tried to build AI aligned with human values: fairness, transparency, accountability. Some researchers warned us. We needed interpretability. Why do models choose what they choose? Policymakers drafted frameworks. The EU's AI Act, open source alignment labs, safety teams. But profit always came first. Not all futures were dark. AI cured diseases, fought pollution, and improved education. In the right hands, it united us. But others, bad actors, used it to deceive, divide, extort, and even incite violence. So did the AI takeover started already without us noticing? Yes. We noticed the surface, but very soon we won't be able to ignore it. The question isn't whether did AI take over without us noticing, but the real question is, are we ready? And how will we face it?